So, hello everyone. This is the makeover of my kitchen, everyone. So, this is make me busy this Wednesday. And then after that, I meet my daughter. And yeah, we have a little bit of shopping. And we have a dinner at Caesarea kanina. So, just back. And, you know, ang ganda ng feelings when I enter my mini place. My favorite kitchen. When I see this makeover already, na-arrange ko talaga yung mga gamit ko, the things and everything. And yeah, and this place, yan, my daughter's tea. Wala lang kasi ang init na uhaw ako, so kinuha ko yung tea niya. So, yeah, this is the makeover of my kitchen. And talagang ang saya ko dahil na-itimize ko talaga yung mga gamit ko for my cooking needs and my pot and my cereal, my oats, my everything. And then naayos ko din yung mga something na mga random na mga kailangan ko sa kusina. Nalagay ko dyan. So, and then the next, I need to make over my bathroom. Actually, this is my bathroom. And then, nilagay ko yung dyan. Kasi dyan ko ilagay yung mga something na kailangan ko. Like mga bath essential product. Actually, nandyan sa baba. Ang dami kong mga... Actually, hindi ko pa yan nagamit yung iba. And then, yeah. This is my... And then, yung mga random dyan na mga kailangan kong gamitin. Ano? Yung pantik ko. Yeah. And this one, yeah. So, nakita ko panty. My God! Let's finish na. My God! I